Samsung Galaxy S26 Series, redefining smartphone excellence in 2026. Samsung never stops innovating, and the upcoming Galaxy S26 Series proves it's ready to push boundaries once again. While the Galaxy S25 lineup is fresh on the scene, tech enthusiasts are already buzzing with excitement about Samsung's next-generation flagship. From revamped naming conventions to cutting-edge display technology, here's an exclusive look at what we might expect from the Galaxy S26 series in 2026. A bold step in naming strategy. In a move that could reshape the Galaxy lineup, Samsung is rumored to retire the standard Galaxy S model. Instead, 2026 might introduce Galaxy S26 Pro, a powerful upgrade with advanced features for tech-savvy users. Galaxy S26 Note, the ultimate productivity powerhouse, bringing the S Pen into the spotlight. Additionally, whispers of a second-generation Galaxy Edge hint at a device designed to bridge performance and style seamlessly. Samsung seems intent on keeping us guessing with bold naming changes. Expected release date. Samsung's early-year launches are practically tradition, and the Galaxy S26 series is likely to follow suit. With an expected debut in January or February 2026, the timing aligns perfectly with previous Galaxy S series releases. Next-level display innovation. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might feature color filter-on-thin film encapsulation (COE) technology, a display breakthrough that promises thinner panels, brighter visuals, and energy efficiency. This leap in screen technology could redefine user experiences and set new standards for premium smartphones. Will prices reflect innovation? While pricing remains speculative, it's reasonable to expect a slight increase over the Galaxy S25 series, driven by advanced hardware and inflation. However, Samsung might surprise us by maintaining competitive pricing to stay ahead in the market. Design and functionality upgrades. Samsung is rumored to be refining the titanium build seen in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, possibly extending it to other models in the lineup. The S Pen integration is also expected to get a significant upgrade, transforming productivity for creators and professionals alike. Why the Galaxy S26 series matters. The Galaxy S26 series isn't just a phone, it's a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of excellence. From innovative naming conventions to groundbreaking display technology, it's clear Samsung aims to make a lasting impression in 2026. Stay tuned as we uncover more about this thrilling new lineup.